Hi everyone, welcome back to Build Digital with Uzair. I am Uzair, and in today's tutorial we are going to learn about wall assemblies in Revit and explore the different types you can use in your project. Whether you are a beginner or want to improve your Revit skills, this video is for you. And let's get started. So this is the wall assembly we are making in Revit. This is a core boundary. Like there will be two boundaries, core boundary 1 and 2, and in the middle there will be a structure with will be replacing a light gauge steel stud with a 90 mm, and on the top is a substrate with plywood sheeting of 16 mm, a membranes layer, very like a very 0 mm thickness of air barrier, and a finished face exterior side of the building, a brick wall with 89 mm thickness, and a finish face interior side with wall board of 13 mm thickness. When you use like wall, when you just edit assembly, you will get this interface. So in this, like when you go for structure, just edit the material and add metal stud layer, and for that you can also change the thickness, like for 90 mm or 15 mm or any else, whatever you want. And there is a one substrate layer, and we are placing a wood sheeting chip of 16 mm thickness, and on the top of it it would be a membrane layer of air filtration barrier of 0 mm, and a finish face exterior with a brick common of 89 mm thickness. And for the interior side of the wall, the finished face will be gypsum wall for 13 mm thickness. You click on OK and you will get the wall assembly. So we are planning to make this wall assembly, and it looks like this, and it will look like when you put a realistic, it would look like this. So let's get started in Revit. So click on wall architecture, you will get this. So whenever you just click, there are different types of wall assembly you will find on, like wall type, anything wall type. There are wall exterior for interior walls, and you can just duplicate and edit all this type of walls. This is sorry, like this I did not explain this. So this is the wall assembly, uh, where this is the height. You can choose from any level, from level 0, level 1. It will show height. Now it is unconnected. If you want, if you are making like floor, you can make like level 1, level 2, level 3, anything you can make it. And you can choose the height of the level, and whether you want with the wall center line, or with finish face exterior or interior. When you wall center line, where you when you just build a wall, it will take from the center of this wall, so it is a finish face with the center line. If you take like exterior, it will take from the boundaries of the building. So here in this video I will talk about mostly about how to edit the wall assembly and wall assembly. So go for architecture, wall type, go edit, and here duplicate. So I am putting like wall type 4. Go to structure, edit the. So as I explained in the PDF, the main structure is the metal stud layer, which is 90 mm thickness. So if you want, you can go like click on three dots, where you will open a material section box. You can choose any material you want. You can edit type, you can add material, you can change any material like you want. So you can go there and do it. And after that, for you will take a substrate material, wood sheeting chipboard. We are taking it a 16 mm thickness, membrane layer, as I say, air filtration layer of 0 mm thickness, and a common brick finish face exterior of 89 mm thickness. You can change the thickness you want. You can change 80, 70, any thickness you want. Here I'm taking 89. And you can also, if you want a substrate layer on the top of the finish layer, you can go and you can put the up sign, it will go up. And it's saying now we are making a wall assembly. So we are making a wall assembly. We go and choose the shaded one. In the wall assembly, like, this is the interior face of the building and this is the exterior face of the building, because this is a brick and you are standing outside the building and you are seeing this brick, and this is the wall board with it will show in the interior side of the building. So that's the case. If you want, if you want to switch on the side, you can just click on the wall and just put the space bar, it will shift it. Okay, so now uh, this is the installation which I have to add in this wall break. So go for annotation, click on insulation, click on the point, first point, click on second point, and you will get insulation like this. For it is all about labeling the part. This is the brick wall, so go to text, then click on this one. It will take a one segment. Like, you can take a one segment, you can take a curved, you can take a two segment, but here it will is good for, like, take a one segment. Click on wall, brick wall, right brick. This is a plywood sheeting, so click on this, a plywood sheeting. This is a metal stud, so click on this metal stud. And there's a one layer of air filtration, but you cannot see it because it has a thickness of 0 mm. So if you take a thickness of like 2 or 3 mm, you can see a wall, you can see an air filtration layer, but we have taken a 0 mm thickness, you will not see. So this is a wallboard thickness, so click on this, click on this wallboard. Now you are ready for the wall assembly you want. Now if you want it to show a realistic view, go for realistic and you will see a realistic view in it. So thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, so I will get a motivation for it to make more videos on it. And thank you, have a good one.